trading breakdown, British pound and US dollar. Hello traders, here's exactly how I turn a simple GBP USD setup into hundreds of dollars in profit. Let me walk you through the exact steps I followed using nothing more than three things: patience, structured, and a clean 1/4 risks to reward. This trade on GBP USD happened specifically on Friday, July 25th. So on the 1 hour day chart, we were clearly in a strong downtrend. Price was pressing into key support and resistance zones where it could react. I had carefully marked earlier to prepare for potential entries, and I dropped down to the 15-minute time frame and saw the same thing. Price continued to confirm the bearish trend, and the key zones were still very clear. So on the 15-minute time frame, that's where the market confirmed my bias. Exactly the type of confirmation I was waiting for. Same bearish structure, same zones respected. Then I dropped down onto the 5-minute charts to time my entry. So by the way, make sure to push the like and to subscribe for more breakdowns and lessons. And finally, I went to the 5-minute charts to time the entry. That is where everything lined up. I had the patience to wait for my setup, and once it triggered, I was in. Now, here's the beauty of this trade. You could have taken partial profits early. You could have secured a safe 1-2 RR, or like I did, you could later run all the way to 1-4. And if you have the patience and confidence, even push for 1-5. That is how I pulled this move off. It wasn't luck, it was structure, discipline, and timing. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, I want to learn how to do that consistently, not just once in a while, this is your next step. I put together something called the Unstoppable Trader Tools. It is not a long, overwhelming course. It is a set of step-by-step tools I personally use to filter high probability setups, manage risk with confidence, and stay consistent week after week. Instead of drowning in random strategies, these tools give you clarity, structure, and a reputable way to approach the market. So your next step is check out the Unstoppable Trader Tools with the link in the description below. So if you're serious about trading with more confidence and less stress, I think you will love it. Remember, in trading, it is not about who trades the most, but who waits the best. Patience is not passivity, it is a strategy. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so you never miss the next weekly breakdown. I see you inside.